And that's still in the same spot. You can still see that all right.
We like pan camera power to off now.
Off.
Okay, Ron, anytime you're ready now, I've got that whole series of flight plan updates, and I've got a few words of explanation with each one, so maybe you might want to take these.
Okay.
Okay, high gain to auto.
High gains and auto.
Yeah, one more question. How large is the bright zone you were talking about, Ron?
Right between Sherlock and Camelot. There are two small craters there, and I ought to get my map out to look for the name of them for sure.
Okay.
They should have been behind the limb, right behind the limb. And the bright spot is about the same size as those.
Okay.
And it makes I would say, an equilateral triangle with those two craters.
Okay, fine. I would recommend one of you go on to the configure camera while we start the flight plan update. We'd like to get the flight plan update all read prior to that P-52 that you've got to do there, and somebody will be taking those Terminator photos.
Okay, so she's drawn in the flight planner. Okay, ready for a flight plan update.
Okay, who's going to take the Terminator photos? You want me to give you a call about 2 minutes before the photo time?
Yeah, Jack will.
Okay, well here's the flight plan update then. At 2:10:30, 2:10:30, add the following.
Okay.
Mapping camera off. Wait 30 seconds. Mapping camera standby. Image motion off. Laser altimeter off. Select poo. Verb 49 maneuver to UV scan attitude. The angles are as follows: 167, 125, 354. Over.
Okay, mapping camera off. This is a 2:10:30, mapping camera off. Wait 30 seconds, mapping camera to standby, image motion off. Laser altimeter off. Poo, verb 49 to UV scan attitude. Roll 167, pitch 125, yaw 354.
Good call, Ron. The next one is at 2:10:35, and this is a P-20 maneuver that's going to set up a rotation about the x-axis for our UV scan. Ready, copy?
Okay.
P-20, option 2, UV scan. Noun 78,
okay.
Noun 78, all zeros. 0, 0, 0. Noun 79er, minus 0, decimal 4, 0, 0, 0, plus 0, 0, 0, decimal 5, 0. Noun 34, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 2, 0, 019er decimal 00. Over.
Okay, B2 at 21035 will be B10 or B20 for UV scan option 2. Down 78 are all zeros, down 79 are minus 4/10 of a degree per second. Is that right?
That's
minus 0.4000. Okay, and then dead band is 0.5 or half degree. Down 34 is 21042 19.00.
That's affirmative, Ron. Okay, at 21041.
Okay, 21041.
And the line, the standard line, verify DSE tape motion, high bit rate, record, forward, command reset.
Okay, at 41, verify tape motion, high bit rate, record, forward, command reset.
Roger. At 21057, we've got another P20 run. And this P20 will set up the orb rate line of sight on the horizon. Okay, here's the P20, option 5. Noun 78, plus 16201. Let me read that again. Plus 162 decimal 01. Plus 040 decimal 76. Plus 184 decimal 78. Noun 79. Plus 000 decimal 50. And we're going to orbit around the moon, so noun 70 will have a 50 in it for the moon.
Okay, at 57, B20 option 5. Orb rate, line of sight on the horizon. Now 78 are plus 162.01, plus 40.76, and plus 184.78. Now 79s are half a degree, and it'll be orb rate around the moon. 50, okay?
Roger, Ron. Okay, stand by.
Bob Waller standing by there. That's right. Weather map.
Okay, Ron, ready with some more if you are.
Okay, go.
Okay, at 21102. Add the following at 21102. UV cover close, and in parentheses put 2110209er. Configure DSE.
Okay, we're going to close you. That's right, go ahead.
Configure DSE stop / command reset. Select POO. Manual roll left to a roll angle 039er by 21105. Over.
Okay, UV cover closed at 2110209. Configure the DSE stop command reset. Whipper into POO and manually roll left to 039er by 211 plus 05.
Raj, and just a prediction from the simulator, you might want to use Excel command for a rate of about 1 degree per second to accomplish that. And that purpose of that is to get the sun out of the mapping camera.
Okay. Okay, Cambridge, Excel command of 1 degree per second.
Okay, at 211.08.
Just a second,
Roger.
hey Jack, on here it shows the little circles on the map, which part you ought to be taking for each Rev 2 or whatever it is.
We're in Rev
Except that for some reason on my map D it didn't have, yeah, on map Delta, I must have got the backup map or something, it didn't have any of the camera settings on it. Terminator photos.
Ron, we can break from this now. We're pretty well ahead. We can come back to it if you want to do the photos.
Yeah, do you have the options there on the Lahire Rill and Mount Lahire, what the photo settings are?
Roger, got them. I'll read them to you right off the map.
Okay.
Okay, if you're looking right at the map,
Okay,
draw a circle around La Haraya Bravo. And that is F32.
Oh, I got the circles on.
1/500.
Yeah. F32, 1/500. Okay, start with that one, Jack.
If the circle around Mount Lahire, it's F11.
250 millimeter lens. F11, okay.
At the next circle up, which encompasses the LA of La Haraya Rills, you want F8 at 1/250th.
Okay.
And the circle that covers across the terminator there at Diophantus is F5.6 at 1/125th. 1/125th. Wrong.
Okay, we got them all, Bob. Thank you.
Okay, just a question for some other period. Will we have to update your map for P66 and P74 revs?
Yeah, I don't have anything on this map.
Okay, we'll schedule that in prior to those revs, Ron.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're coming up on Timicaris now. Start at Lambert and get the right along the higher rail seat. Yeah, you take six shots, kind of in each area at that set. North and south. Yeah, point them every which way. Or whatever's interesting. Okay. Mount Lahire, you can get in there. F11 at 1/500.
Ron, just a point.
Weiler coming up here. Okay.
Do you have two copies of the maps on board, and if so, would the other copy of D have the updates on it, or have the settings?
Have two copies? didn't know we had 2 copies. Okay, and then next to Oiler, we got F8 at 1250 north of Oiler. Here's, well, we're just about at the, on the terminator line. Yeah. No. F8 at 250. Okay. North and south along the terminator. We're getting close to it. Then change to, right on the terminator, change to F5.6 at 125th. I was wondering when you guys were going to say that. Okay. Yeah, gotta be good. I'll tell you, it goes a lot easier when you're by yourself. Okay, yeah, we're on mag 55. I mean, frame 55 and mag Romeo. Yeah, we didn't get some of the ones up around Lahire. We'll get those next time around.
How's the pictures going, Ron?
Okay, we got the pictures are over. And that's Lunar Orbit Chart Delta. It doesn't have anything on it, you know?
Okay,
Got the circles on it, but it don't have any of the...
We'll schedule it up, all the updates on that. After you go LOS, we'll figure out your time to read them up to you on your run.
Okay, and we're ready to continue the flight plan.
Okay, 21108. 21108.
Okay. We're all set?
Ron, just one comment before we start the flight plan. You've got a 52 coming up, and we want to make sure that that gets done prior to the Verb 49 maneuver at 2:10:30, and there is no slack on that Verb 49 maneuver at 2:10:30, so you'll have to get down to the 52 at about 20, but we should have enough time to get the rest of these updates up.
Okay.
Okay, Ron, at 21108, delete the lines, mapping camera off. Wait 30 seconds. Mapping camera standby. Image motion off. And laser altimeter off. Delete those lines.
Okay, they're deleted.
Okay, at 21111, change the receive only attitude to the following. Roll 039er. Pitch 159er. Yaw 300.
Okay, at 21111, Verb 49 will be to 039er, 159er, and 300.
Okay, at 21126, we're going to do a P20 maneuver. It's going to be a rolling P20, which will roll about the Omni Bravo line of sight to the Earth. We'll need high bit rate during that time. That's why we need the line of Bravo, and we're doing the Earth study of with the lunar sounder to determine the polarization of the noise from the Earth, so we can subtract it out of our data. And during these maneuvers, you're going to see a middle gimbal angle of plus or minus 65 degrees. We saw that on the simulator, but word of caution on that. You'll see a middle gimbal angle of plus or minus 65 degrees. The P20 maneuver is as follows at 21126. P20,
Okay.
P20, option 2, HF scan. Noun 78 plus 270 decimal 00 minus 039er30. Noun 79 minus 0 decimal 3000 plus 000 decimal 50. Noun 34 is all zeros.
Bob.
Okay, ready.
I got your noun, so I got you filed up in the noun 78. It's option 2, I only need 2 of those, so it's noun 78 is plus 270.00 and a minus 39.30. Okay, your noun 79 is now, or say again?
Minus 0.3000. And now the other
okay,
noun
3 tenths of a degree per second.
Okay. And 0.5 after you should have been.
Okay.
And noun 34s are all zeros.
Okay, so you're going to pro at 211.26 then, right?
That's affirmative.
Okay.
Okay, Ron, this next one, actually, we're calling it 212.20, but the simulator came out at 212.18.40, just for information. And it's the following. Stop scan at roll 039.
Okay, stop scan at roll 039er.
Roger. Verb 49 went over to Lunar sounder, receive only, attitude. Roll 142, pitch 286, yaw 0.
Okay, verb 49, lunar sounder, receive only, roll 142, pitch 286, yaw 0.
Okay, and then the last one is 213.03. Configure the DSC, high bit rate, record, forward, command reset.
Okay, at 213, was that 03?
03, that's firm.
Configure DSC, high bit rate, record, forward, command. Okay.
Okay,
Will be high bit rate, record, forward, command reset.
Ron, will be no more flight plan updates, we promised today, and we'll be working map Delta and getting that updated to you, but everybody here thinks there's 2 maps on board, and I think you're right, I think there's only 1 in there.
All right. That's all.
FAO thinks there's 2.
Oh, wait a minute, I just Jack said they put an extra one. Okay, well, there were 2. Jackson said he had one put on for him.
Okay.
I must have picked his up or something.
Raj.
Mine must be in there then somewhere.
Okay,
We'll look for it.
you'll check that and tell us if we need to update you. We'll still plan to update, but if you've got it, fine.
Okay.
And it looks like you ought to be getting in your P-52 when you get a chance here.
Yeah, I'll get her down here. Can tell about these geologists. They put on extra maps in your spacecraft, things like that, you know. I gave you the last frame number on that Romeo, but I think I forgot to tell you the one after the other one. Oh, by the way, on the other one, Agassiz was completely in the darkness, and there was no crater rim at all to shine down on Agassiz, so we didn't get him at all.
We copy that.
Oh, are we at B20? Good free. We used to be at B20. We'll get back into B20. Not much, but that's all right. Go right along here. I happen right along here and shove them down over there is what they used to do. Hey, man, call, get into auto now, CMC auto. That's my fault, Gene. I should have gone. That's right. Number 12, Rigel. Hey, I can find Rigel, I bet you. There she comes. There's Orion. Man, oh man. Got that B-52 on it. And it's within a half of crosshair width. There's Alphard. Or F-62. Fine there, baby. And up to my usual tricks. 12 and 21. Stars 12 and 21. Star angle difference, 5 balls. Okay, Houston, there's the down 93s.
Roger, we copied them down.
Okay, and we'll torque them at 2245.
We copy.
Okay. Hey. Yeah. Outstanding idea to have a great drink. Okay, 24. Then, Houston, America.
Go ahead, say again.
Okay, hey Bob, how many frames of MAG RR do we have to diddle with? Kind of our own, or are there any?
That's in work right now.
Okay. Aha, here's another chart D.
I do owe you a consumable status yet, and...
So you know it. Good old stuff in it. Hey, do we have a good chart delta?
Okay, good. Great. I owe you a consumable status, and when you woke up, you were right on the flight plan line, and you had 58% remaining of RCS. And all other consumables are on the line or above.
Oh, okay. Hey, Bob, sorry we didn't let you get that in. We're not moving too fast for you, are you?
Ron, you have 0 spares on RR. No film available for yourself on RR.
Oh, okay. We'll, hey, Bob, this is Jack. If you can possibly swing it, I would strongly recommend that we let Ron redo that last Terminator sequence if we can work it in the flight plan. Because Gene and I may or may not have done what you wanted there, and I know we missed the first couple of them. I'll use the 35 millimeter. I still got about 8 or 10 frames of the 35.
Okay, we'll take that word under advisement, and we'll evaluate it.
Thank you. We may have sent you to the UN with that diplomacy.
Thanks a lot for your confidence, Gino.
Glad to hear your voice down there, boss. Yeah, bro. mapping camera is off.
Roger, run. Okay, we suggest you start that burp 49 maneuver at 2:10:30, or you'll be behind the 8 ball there on time. America Houston, you're looking real good here coming up to LOS, and we'll see you at 2:11:22. You're looking good.
Okay, will do.
This is Apollo Control. We've had loss of signal. Apollo 17 spacecraft America has gone behind the moon, nearing the end of revolution number 62. Will reappear again in about 48 minutes on revolution 63. Presently, the orbit measures 62.4 by 65.2. Cabin pressure was holding steady at 4.8 pounds per square inch aboard the spacecraft America. The crew busily running some photographic assignments, both with the hand cameras in the cabin and the mapping and panorama cameras back in the sim bay of the service module. Members of the white team of flight controllers are beginning to drift in to replace the off-going gold team. And at 210 hours, 39 minutes, ground elapsed time, this is Apollo Control.
This is Apollo Control at 211 hours, 21 minutes. We're about 1 minute now from regaining radio contact with Apollo 17 as it comes around the eastern limb of the moon on its 63rd revolution. Here in Mission Control, we've completed a shift handover. The flight director on this shift is Charles Lewis, and our spacecraft communicator is astronaut Gordon Fullerton. Flight Director Chuck Lewis has completed a status review with each of his flight controllers, and from all around the room, the reports of everything nominal come back. During this shift, two things of interest will be the firing of the explosive charges left on the lunar surface by the astronauts to assist scientists in determining subsurface structure. The first of these charges, designated charge number 6, is scheduled to be detonated at about 212 hours, 51 minutes. There is some latitude in this event, and because of that, we'll have the television camera on the lunar rover up early to catch the event at its earliest possible occurrence, which would be 212 hours, 21 minutes. And we'll leave it up through 213 hours, 21 minutes.
check and see how the weather was doing there in Houston before you came in to work.
Oh, it's kind of a bunch of high clouds, cirrus, I guess, but it's down around 35, I'd say, and pretty windy, so it's nippy when you're outside.
Aha! And Houston, how's my biomed looking?
About 10 seconds to your pro there.
Okay, thank you.
America, we'd like the IR cover closed.
Oh, then away we go.
I think there might be a chance the sun will get in out there.
Okay. Okay, Gordian, we're rolling. Ready, Bravo.
Okay. Ron, your EKG looks good. The surgeon wondered how the irritation that you had mentioned because of the sensors is that getting any better?
Well, it's, yeah, it gets better when you take them off and leave them off for a while and I put the cream on it. And looks like it lasts for about a day. You know, and every time I put it on at a different spot. And it takes about a day for it to get red and irritated. And Gordo, for information, that's not unique. We're all having that, and taking them off is the best relief for it.
Okay. I've got some words about what you might use for crew optional photographs. Over.
Okay, yeah, let's write it down there. And why don't you write it on the back page or something like that? So I know where it is. Okay. Ready to copy.
Okay, magazine RR has no spare frames, so that if you want to take any photos, we're suggesting using the DAC and the 75mm lens, and using JJ, which is very high-speed black and white. 98% of JJ is unscheduled. Here's some settings you might use for Terminator photographs over Mari. Use T2.8, 1/500, and infinity. For Terminator over Highlands, use T4, 1/500, and infinity. And for Sokovsky on Rev 74, That's GET of 232.58. That's sometime in the future here. We're suggesting using T 5.6, 1/500 and infinity. Over.
Okay, Gordo, what was the F-stop for the Highlands Terminator?
Okay, the Highlands Terminator would be T4. I guess that's the far side Terminator, and the near side Terminator is over Mari. That's the Mari sitting.
Houston, America. Is today Friday down there?
America, Houston, I'm sorry. Say again, please.
Just wondering, Gordo, if today is Friday.
That's affirmative. It's Friday.
Okay, thank you.
Happens to be payday. It's the 15th.